Hello, everyone. Today, let's take a closer look at Allstacks, a platform designed to help engineering teams optimize their workflows and align with business objectives. Allstacks offers three pricing tiers. 1. R&D cap, $200 per contributor per year. This plan automates R&D reporting and produces accounting-ready records of capitalizable work. 2. Premium, $400 per contributor per year. Suitable for teams up to 500 users, it includes commercial support, assisted onboarding, dedicated trainings, and multi-tenant hosting. 3rd. Enterprise, $650 per contributor per year. Designed for larger organizations, it offers unlimited users, dedicated support via Slack or Teams, on-site business reviews, and single-tenant hosting. Allstacks integrates with tools like GitHub, Jira, Azure DevOps, Bitbucket, GitLab, Jenkins, CircleCI, and Slack, allowing teams to consolidate data from various sources. Key features include forecasting and estimating. Machine learning algorithms provide accurate delivery estimates based on team activity. Risk assessment and alerts. Set goals and receive alerts to proactively eliminate delivery risks, and performance metrics and KPIs. Track metrics like cycle time, velocity, and lead time to optimize team performance. Reporting and dashboards. Create custom dashboards and reports to make informed business decisions. For new users, Allstacks offers a free trial to experience the platform's capabilities firsthand. Thank you for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. See you next time.